Hi guys, welcome to Brains and the Beat. If you're new here, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And if you're oldie but goodie, thank you for staying tuned to your girl. So in today's video, you see Kai right here. So in today's video, we're going to be talking about another corruption scandal that have been going on in Jamaica's government, and this one includes Mr. Reid, okay? And it says, embattled former Education, Youth and Information Minister Roel Reid has been sent on leave by the Board of Jamaica College. Reid, who was forced to resign by Prime Minister Andrew Holness last night, Wednesday, was on 3 years leave as principal of the prestigious all-male institution since 2018. He had previously been on secondment from the JC for 2 years after he was appointed to the Senate by Holness and put in charge of the Education Ministry in 2016. But Reid was sacked by Holness mere hours after allegations of corruption, nepotism, and cronyism were made against him by the opposition People's National Party. Apart from the ministry, several connected agencies over which he had oversight responsibility are also caught up in the unfolding scandal. They include Palisados-based Caribbean Maritime University, CM, the Heart Trust, and National Education Trust. Investigation into the allegations are being carried out by the police and the Financial Investigation Division, and the Auditor General's Reid has maintained his innocence, but the JC community was becoming increasingly bothered by the allegations. The influential old boys, including Gary Butch Henderson, had said in the media that Reid should not consider returning to the Hope Road Base School until the matters are resolved. The school board is also awaiting a meeting with Holness to discuss the issues surrounding Reid's firing. In the meantime, the board has advised that Wayne Robertson will continue to act as principal. With questions in the public domain, the board has also stated that Reid was not being paid a salary while he was on leave. However, he had, up until a month ago, continued to occupy the college greenhouse that is owned by JC, which is assigned to the principal. Detectives raided the house last Saturday and removed several items, according to media reports. In the meantime, the PNP upped the pressure on Holness administration on Monday. Several party spokespersons used a press conference at the party's Old Hope Road headquarters to ask a series of questions of the Holness administration regarding the mushrooming scandal. They include the spokesman on education, Ronald Twades, and the chairman of the PNP Education Commission, Ellen Foster Allen, who is former permanent secretary in the Education Ministry. Foster Allen asked whether the CMU hosted party or birthday or appreciation parties for Reid or any senior official of the ministry between 2017. He also wanted to know the cost of the parties and who paid for them. Additionally, she asked whether any relatives of Reid's were on staff at the CMU when they were hired and what are their qualifications for those positions. And Foster Allen also wanted to know whether any personal staff members of the former minister are paid by the CMU or any entity associated with the CMU. Additionally, the former permanent secretary and Jehona's administration to reveal the number of consultants or advisors who are engaged by the CMU, their responsibilities and salaries. And also, she wanted to know the specific duties assigned to former Jamaica Labour Party Member of Parliament O'Neill Lawrence in his role as advisor to CMU President Professor Fitz Pinnock. Thwaites has asked the Prime Minister to provide answers when the House of Representatives meets on Tuesday and to avoid the traditional tabling of questions, which sometimes takes months before they're answered. Thwaites said education is too important and must be kept above the political fray. Okay, so basically they're saying that the parties that they kept at CMU, they wanted to know how they're paid for, if Reid have any family members in the CMU, if they have the right qualifications for the position, is their salary, how are they getting paid. It's basically like the same thing like Petrodram, like the whole Petrodram scandal. And it's very disheartening that the Petrodram scandal happened last year and this whole education ministry scandal is seeming to be unfolding this year. It shows you how corrupt our government is, and no matter how they try to cover it up, sweep it underneath the rug, it's never ever what it seems to be. And all the people that we think have Jamaica's best interest at heart don't really have Jamaica's best interest at heart. So comment what your thoughts are in the comment section. Do you think that there's going to be millions of dollars that were allocated to Reid's parties that shouldn't have been kept in the first place? Do you think that Reid have family members in the CMU that he's paying a salary that isn't qualified for a certain position? Do you think they're mishandling the money for the education ministry and the schools? Comment what your thoughts are in the comment section. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next one.
Our album Telling Lies. This one is called Homeland.